Caviar. It is a great pleasure and honor to be here with all of you today as we welcome our friends from the great state of Texas, Six Flags Over Texas. The parent company, Six Flags Entertainment, members of the media and press, and bloggers and fans of this amazing, amazing industry. Today marks a very special occasion for both of our companies. You get to appreciate the beautiful, beautiful park and your surroundings of Six Flags Over Texas. You'll see the city of Arlington. It is going to be just awesome, okay? And so we're incredibly proud to be working with Six Flags to celebrate their special anniversary in 2026, 65 years, and it's going to be amazing. With the introduction of TORMENTA Rampaging Run. Friends, TORMENTA introduces a completely new ride category for our industry. With TORMENTA, we're able to blend Giga Coaster heights, drops, and speeds with the thrills and maneuvers of a dive coaster. It is going to be incredible. TORMENTA is a groundbreaking attraction that is going to shatter 6 world records for Six Flags Over Texas and world records. And we will proudly debut as the world's first Giga Dive Coaster. Woo! It is going to be 4,199 feet. It's a ride duration that'll be just under 3 minutes. It's an incredible long duration. Big drops, big heights, big elements. It's going to be incredible. Record number 5. TORMENTA will feature the world's tallest beyond vertical drop at 95 degrees. If you think of a drop where you're beyond vertical, 95 degrees, you are going to be slightly inverted. You'll feel slightly inverted. It will feel incredible.
Next year is the 65th anniversary, and this coaster is our gift to Dallas Arlington skyline. We're really excited to see the transformation of the area and our commitment to investing in the park. Although we're extremely excited for TORMENTA, we're equally excited for all of the work that's going into the park to refresh and restore the charm. We're going land by land all throughout the park. We're restoring legacy attractions. We're bringing in new shade elements, and we're really bringing back the original land and design intent of the park as guests have enjoyed over the years. So we're really happy to introduce this new reimagined Spain land. Once you cross under the Spain portal, you'll be walking into Rancho de la Tormenta, a new land that will represent a Spanish village, and you will be fully immersed into our story with a new F&B restaurant that will serve authentic cuisine, a new retail location that will have special one-of-a-kind collectibles, and you'll really be front and center. So shout out to all the non-riders who will be enjoying this plaza safely from the midways and looking up at the backdrop, which of course, the backdrop of this ride, or of this land, is TORMENTA Rampaging Run. On a countdown from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. TORMENTA, opening at Six Flags Over Texas in 2026. Thank you guys. The wheels are massive. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person, so quite impressive.